Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to add a vendor in QuickBooks Desktop. Open QuickBooks, go to Vendors, and choose New Vendor to start. Enter the vendor name, address, email, and payment terms carefully. Add tax ID, remittance address, and preferred payment method if available. Double-check banking and contact details, then click Save. This quick routine keeps your vendor list accurate and simplifies bill entry and payments moving forward. When adding a vendor, focus on required fields so your records match invoices and tax forms. Input the vendor legal name, tax ID or EIN when needed, and the remittance address for payments. Set default expense or cost of goods accounts to map bills correctly. Add payment terms and preferred payment method to speed processing. These details reduce errors, improve reporting, and help when you prepare 1099s or reconcile accounts. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long bookkeeping sessions with a leak-proof lid and easy carry feature. It's practical for desk work and helps you avoid coffee spills on receipts. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, it makes a great desk companion. Now let's get back to the video. Explore advanced options to make vendor management smoother and more professional. Set 1099 eligibility so eligible vendors are tracked properly during year-end. Attach W-9s, contracts, and purchase terms directly to the vendor record for quick reference. If migrating from another system, enter an opening balance and original invoice date to preserve history. These steps help with audits, vendor communication, and accurate financial statements without creating duplicate records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.